today's smartphone come with a big screen and big battery, but today I'm going to unbox the latest smartphone from ASUS, which is the ASUS Zenfone 8. It comes with two color variants, which are Obsidian Black and Horizon Silver. What I'm holding now is Horizon Silver. It is matte finish, so the fingerprint stains are not obvious for me, and it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus with an aluminum frame. This device features a 5.9-inch Samsung AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate. On the other hand, it also certified HDR10+. With this pocket-sized compact device, although you don't get a big display, but yet you also get to watch in a decent display and outstanding color contrast no matter under the sunlight or indoors. On top of that, it supports an always-on display, or you can choose to save battery by relying on the notification LED at the bottom here. On the other hand, it supports a Snapdragon 888 chipset, 60GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. So you won't face any lagging experience during watching or gaming. Speaking of gaming experience, this also comes with the Game Genie that you can find on ASUS ROG phone, which allow you to boost your device performance by removing unwanted data and enjoy lag-free. As for the cameras, there's a 12MP selfie snapper and a dual-array camera with Sony sensor, 64MP main camera and 12MP ultra-wide camera. It can support up to 8K video recording, and there's also a Pro Video mode which can allow free zoom and wind filter to add a cinematic touch to your videos. On top of that, there are 3 microphones to record clearer audio, and you may choose the direction of the sound you want to record as well. This device features dual stereo speakers with Dirac HD Sound at the top and bottom. So you get to enjoy your music, videos, movies, and games. This device is powered by 4000mAh battery that supports 30W Quick Charge 4.0. Please make sure the charging port is completely dry before charging, although it is rated IP68 water resistant. The thing that I like the most about this phone is the size, because it is easy to hold and I have no struggle to access with one hand. So what do you think about this compact device? Don't forget to leave your comments below, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye, I'm Deborah.